Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. So in this walk around video I'm going to show you around this very nice Melbourne Red 430D MSPORT Coupe. I'm going to talk you through some of the optional extras and features and of course show you around the overall condition, and then I'll make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car. I'll just go through a bit more of the interior feature in a bit more depth. So as I mentioned, the exterior of the car is presented in the Melbourne Red and does feature some very nice genuine BMW Mperformance additions. Included in that is these very nice 20-inch 613M Mperformance alloy wheels, which are finished in the gloss black, and they sit very nicely against that Melbourne Red. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2014 plate, or 2014 64 plate, sorry. You'll also see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps along with those Mperformance kidney grills. The only addition we've had to make to the car was fitting one of our own carbon fibre style front splitters, so we've got that nice half and half front splitter. Down the side of the car you'll see there the gloss black side air breathers along with the genuine BMW Mperformance side vinyls and stickers. Another nice addition is the carbon fibre mirror caps, as you can see there, and they again look very nice set against the Melbourne Red. It's also equipped with the sun protection glazing, and overall this vehicle is in a very good condition for the overall age and mileage. And we'll move on to take a glance at the interior, which again we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes with not only the heated, it's also got the electric movement and memory for driver's side. And as you can see, everything is very nice, clean and tidy. It is indeed the 8-speed sports automatic, and we will of course go over some more of the interior details very shortly. In terms of your rear seat arrangement, you get a 2x2 Isofix rear bench and a central folding armrest, and again we've got that lovely darkened M Sport headlining, which works very nicely in contrast with your black Dakota leather. Moving around towards the rear of the car, again showing you off the stunning Mperformance alloy wheels, and we'll make our way towards the rear, where again, thanks to that lovely Mperformance edition, you get this full carbon fibre rear spoiler. Not only is this that fantastic 430D, we've also got the BMW's superb Xdrive 4-wheel drive system along with the satin rear diffuser, as you can see there. And I'll open up the boot space just so you can take a look at just how large the boot capacity is if you've not yet seen one on a 4 Series Coupe. So as you can see, we've got a nice amount of space in there, along with split folding seats to further enhance that. Making our way around to the other side of the car, you'll be able to see again that this car is in fantastic condition. That Melbourne Red really does work very nicely with all of the additions made by the Mperformance styling. And again, all in very nice condition. I'm going to move on inside into the car and again just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. And of course showing you off the memory settings. And so now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car. We're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll begin first of all by starting the car up, and I'll run you through a couple of the main features. Of course we've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you right the way through from the lovely music collection function, external devices for USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate control and the switches for the heated seats as well. And as I did mention, it is of course got that lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. You'll also find on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. And this vehicle has covered, despite how great it looks, it's covered over 100,000 miles, as you can see there. However, hopefully you've been able to see throughout this video that it is in fantastic condition and has had a lot of money spent on it, in the form of having all of those Mperformance extras put on it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video and it's given you an insightful look at this fantastic 430D Xdrive MSPORT Coupe, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.